Okay, welcome back to the next exercise. This is the pant exercise with a major scale. We're going to go 1 to 5 and then back down to 1. So if we're starting on A, that's ha, 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 ha. Okay? Now, the key to this exercise is not the sound that you're making. That's the gravy. If you're making great sound and great tone, and you're more advanced, then that's excellent. This is really about training yourself to inhale, right? Because when you get on stage and you're singing to a big audience and it's so exciting and you've got a long phrase, you want to train yourself to have a lot of air in the tank all the time. So every time you inhale, you want to top up, right? So that you've got a lot of air. If you're emotional and you're running out, you know you've got more air in your body. So this is about training you to take in air and to use the air to let the sound come out. Let the sound ride your air, right? So we're going to start on an A, and this is about ha, 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 right? And we're going to go up. Ha, 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 ha. Yeah, you're getting it now, right? We're going to speed it up. Ha, 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 ha. Remember the inhale. Ha, 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 ha. It's tough for me to keep it one pace, but I'll do it. Ha, 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 ha. There's the next pitch. Ha, 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 ha. Right? Now you heard me go through my break and you heard my voice wobble. That's normal. You're warming up, you're practicing. You want to get to know those nuances in your voice every day. It's different. So don't worry if you make a weird sound every once in a while. You're just getting used to your body, getting used to your sound, getting used to your voice and how you make sound. Now we did an entire octave there. We went from A to A as our root notes. So hopefully you were able to do all of that. But if you need to bounce around with your pitch or jump the octave to stay with me because my voice is low as I start out, or drop the octave as we get higher because your range isn't that high, that's totally fine. Just do that. So again, 5 to 10 times a day with this exercise and mix it up. Mix up the exercises. You don't have to do every one in chronology every day. Just pick the one that's best for you, do it, and practice. Get to know your voice, enjoy it. Most importantly, get to know how to breathe in. All right? All right. Next exercise, we're going to just change the scale, make it a little more exciting. Here we go.